I want to do a quick video on how to update with keeping all your login settings like Track TV, and I have a real debrid account and stuff like that. So anything I'm logged into, say if I hit movies, my Track TV's in here, so all my favorites are already there. And when I hit TV shows, all my favorites are in there. So this will keep all my login data, and I have a real debrid account. So if you go to Fire Sticks update, go to builds menu. I think I have the July 3rd build on here. I'm going to put the July 14th build on here, so I'm going to click that. Yes, I want to do a fresh start, and yes, I want to save my login data. I'm going to name it as, I'll just call it test. Done. Because I already had it saved on previous things. And then it says backup complete successful. Do you wish to restore your Cody's configuration to default settings? Yes. And then switch skins, yeah, I'd let them do it. Now it's going to clear all the shit off the build. So this is going to be a long video here. So I'm going to let it go through all the whole updating. To make the changes, you got to force close Cody. Now I'm going to open it back up, NWI Fire Sticks. Now as you see, everything is wiped. Now you pretty much follow the on-screen instructions to do the update. But now you don't have to do the fresh start because we already did the fresh start. Go to Program Add-ons, Fire Stick Wizard, Builds menu, and I'm going to pick whatever, the 14th adult build. No, I don't need to do a fresh start, and there it goes in downloads. Bear with that for a couple minutes. And I'm going to go back to watching the show while that does that.
No, what did you think? I mean, even though there was a little bit of a mistake, that aside, you did a whole new act with different tricks. It was brilliant, I thought.
Thank you! See you guys later.
It's really dangerous. Tell me about it. It's so hard to go right after me. This is traumatic today.
It is.
You're like 25 feet up in the air, and there's no net.
I think that the two of you are unbelievable little daredevils.
Thank you.
We lost 3 kids today. I mean, it's...
Yeah, because you like it when people never die.
That's loud, guys. That's loud.
Just gonna press up to wake it up a little bit so it doesn't go dark in the video.
Entering this once to build a character. Select a character.
Now it'll extract all the files after it downloads the build. It needs to extract all the files with 0 errors. This will work on your Fire Sticks, on your boxes, whatever you have my stuff on. Press up to wake it up a little bit. Alright, all it says download complete, and hit OK. Force close Kodi to make sure all your changes go. Now when I open up NWI Fire 6 again, which is Kodi, everything will be here. But as you see, the build is updated with Covenant over there, and a few other things I've changed inside the build. Just small little updates. One thing I did change was Track TV is now running for Covenant, because Covenant's supposed to be the replacement for Exodus. We'll see how that goes. But if I went into, wait for it to build and do any updates it needs to do. So I think if I went into, because I changed what my movies opens. So just build this fucking menu. Alright. And then if I click my movies, there's no Trakt or IMDb account found because I have to restore my settings. So if I went back into NWI Fire Sticks right here, and I'm going to restore my data, restore login data, and we did test was the last one I did for this video, so I'm going to restore that data. Do you want to restore the backup login data? Yes. Login data successful. So now when I back out of here, I changed Covenant and Exodus, like I said, from the leader. But if you went into Exodus and went into my movies and the collection, then you should see all my favorites in there because it restored my track account. It restored my real debris account and stuff like that. So everything is updated. This shows you how to update without losing your information. I know it's a long video. That's basically it.